adventure in my world. So I think today's the day we do it.
I'm a little nervous.
We'll have a good view at that. That's for sure.
Right here?
Yeah, first row or we don't go.
Okay.
Shoo, you ready now?
Hey.
Yeah? Dude, you get stretched.
Hi,
Hi, Malachi. Where's the camera? Oh, there it is. Hi. Did you see them put the